Hi, welcome. So today I'm going to take you on the sea train ride. That's the Calgary train ride. And what you see now is the Tuscany train station in the northwest of Calgary. And this train station is about 10 minutes drive away from my home. So that's quite handy. I can park my car there on the train station car parking. Then I can take the train and straight away go downtown or go to University of Calgary, Montreal University. Not Montreal, I believe. I think it's SAIT. Yeah, I can go to SAIT. So let's take the ride. The surprising fact about the Calgary train is that it's a wind power train, and it fully became 100% wind power train I think back in 2012, and that made Calgary Transit the first train in North America to be wind driven. That means we use wind turbine to power the train. Isn't it interesting? It's green energy, renewable energy.
Doors normally open on the left. Station.
We're now entering the free fare zone. So mostly the Calgary downtown stations are free. You don't have to buy tickets to ride the core downtown of Calgary, which is great. But you have to buy tickets if you're not in the free fare zone. That means if you're taking train from outside downtown Calgary, you need to buy a ticket, and the cost is around $3.50, and it's gonna be valid for around 90 minutes, which is an hour and a half, and that's the adult price. So you need to buy tickets if you are not in the free fare zone. How about your city? Do you have any free fare zones in your area, in your city? So share this information in the box below when you finish watching the video. Let me know if you have any free fare zone areas in your city or in your country.
train 69.
The next stop is City Hall Station. This is a southbound train. Destination, Somerset Bridlewood. If you are traveling northeast, please transfer to the Saddletown train. Thank you. City Hall Station. Doors normally open on the right. You are now leaving the free fare zone.
This train 79.
The next stop is First Street West Station. station. Doors normally open wide.
I hope you enjoyed the ride on the train today with me, and let me know how do you find it. And thank you so very much for spending this time with me, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.